Now, what we're going to look at in this video, we want to make sure we understand how to create graphic user interface using JavaFX and using JavaSwing. We try to compare, right? Like, we already see the legacy of GUI starting from AWT and then JavaSwing, and now we use JavaFX, right? Again, JavaFX support like the web and tablets, right? Mobile devices and like desktop application. So JavaSwing, when you do applet, that is for the web, but it's not really popular. People don't use that much. And support just desktop application. No touch devices. No. AWT is even what's just the old time desktop application. When you run a program like maybe Windows 95, you see the look and feel like that for AWT. So that's the legacy of the GUI in Java. Now we want to start to compare JavaFX. We say stage is like JFrame, right? So this is how I write the swing, and this is how you write the JavaFX. And then we say zine and pane just like JPanel when we start to create the pane, right? And next, we're going to make the component like this is create a component and add to the pane, which I can try to add my J button and put the text for my button. So this is how you create in Swing, right? And this is add, which we can do add later if you want to, like that. And then panel dot add, right? Same thing like we add the button. Now this one set the title to primary stage, which is parameter of the start here, which is the window itself, right? So window is like the stage, like JFrame is our stage in Swing, which I can set title to button in a panel, and you need to add, right, this to the, like this one they use set zine, just like you add zine, like zine is like JPanel, right? So we want to do the same, we just say add, we don't use set zine, we just use add to the frame, like this is the frame, then we don't have to call it again, we just call add, just like set title. I don't need to call primary stage again, I just call set title because it's a part of JFrame already. So that's just a little bit difference here. We're gonna add panel to the frame, and then lastly this one say show, this one set visible to true. Alright, and this one you pretty much just set a zine size right here, right? 250, that's why you have width and height 250. Then we will need to set the size too, right? Right after we create. So we're gonna set panel dot set look up a little bit on the JPanel Java doc to see exact method name. It's similar to like set size or set windows. Yeah, set size, right? And then pass dimension. And you can do set size and width and height, which is correct. Okay. So switch back to compare. So I can do 200 width and height 50. Okay. Now I'm going to save this program, right? Which I'm going to copy this and try to run on our Git bash. Let me create a new program name button in swing. Alrighty. Now, of course, you need to import, right? Import JavaFX dot swing dot JPanel. Also, you need to import JButton, JFrame, so just copy and paste and change the text. Let's see if we can recompile this program and alright, so let's fix the errors. JavaX.swing. So package not correct because I think S should be lowercase. Yeah, lowercase s. And also, to run this program, we need to, like in JavaFX, if you see that you are not required to have the main methods. So after you finish, you can just do main. Only needed for when you use on the IDE. Okay, which not going to be the same scenario of swing. Swing, you always need a main to run it. So I need to include the main. But in JavaFX, you can omit the main. Okay. Like some IDE like jgraph, you need the main, but Eclipse, you don't need it. Like on the console that we do here, when you do Java, C, and Java, we don't need it. We don't need the main. But for swing, always need the main. Now, that's how you write the main, right? Which you're gonna call, like you instantiate an object of the new class that you created, like when we do, like we create car, new car, right? So exactly the same that what we do here. And it's gonna call all of those and pop up the windows for you. That's how you write the method in main. But in JavaFX, you just do application.launch. And when you get to tool 1, you understand more what's the difference here, because this is just do like the method. But in Swing we do like class concept, like you create new instance, right? This is just called .launch. Now let's recompile the program. Which button swing.java? Okay, no errors. So the error we get pretty much just, there you go. So we get a swing windows. Like I said, there's a little bit different. This one you didn't set the size, but it looked very similar to JavaFX. This is the version that we tried to create here, right? See, now the windows always by default is going to collapse it if you don't set the size for the frame. So that's why I have to manually expanding it. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you, like this set size doesn't work with the panel. Like if you set with just set size to the frame itself, it will work. I didn't compile it yet, so let's recompile it. So the change is just right there, right? Now I just need the highest has to be bigger than 50 pixels. So let's set the height to maybe 150. Recompiling it. The only change is just set size, remove the panel dot, set at the JFrame level. It's too big, huh? But we may need about 75. So that's how you write a graphic user interface in Swing, comparing to JavaFX. There you go. Right, same thing, different code here. Alright,